Yeah, I don't have a down payment. Yeah, trust me, I'd love to stop paying rent and start buying a house, but I don't have a down payment. This can't be right. I don't know if you saw Bitcoin this morning. All my money's gone. Well, Saeed, thanks so much for all the information, but I put all my money into Dogecoin, and I don't know if you saw the market today. It's all gone. Who in their right mind thinks they can buy a house these days? Hey, what's up guys? My name is Saeed. I'm a licensed loan officer, and I want to talk to you today real quickly about how to get into your first home paying zero down payment. Yes, that's right, zero down payment. There are some things you need to know. I'm going to talk to you about those. Let's get into it. So the first step to getting yourself into a down payment assistance loan is simply apply. There's no way a lender can tell if you actually are approved for a down payment assistance loan if you don't apply. Once you're in the system, myself or a member of my team is going to go through your application and help you determine how much you're approved for. The things that we're looking at once you apply is number one, your credit. Do you have at least a 620 or higher credit score to get yourself into a down payment assistance loan? If you don't have a 620 or higher credit score, down payment assistance, at least here in Washington State, will not be available. The second thing that we're going to look at is your income. Do you have an income? An income can be from many sources. It can be from a W-2 job, it can be from a self-employed business, it can be from a corporation, it could be from disability, Social Security, VA benefits, whatever that is. We're going to take a look at that and make sure that the income that you are receiving on a monthly basis is actually usable for the loan type that you're receiving. In this case, it's going to be a down payment assistance loan. The last thing that we're going to be looking at is your debt to income ratio. The debt to income ratio is extremely important because most people make a lot of money, but they have so much debt that they can't get themselves into a loan or to a mortgage because their debts outweigh their income once they tack on a mortgage payment. So as a lender, we have to take all of your monthly liabilities as shown on your credit report, and we have to add that to your proposed monthly mortgage payment. If that number divided by your income is more than 45%, we cannot approve you as a lender. So we're gonna have to either pay off some debt, maybe add a co-borrower to get more income, or maybe you're banking on a raise in the next 6 months or 3 months. We just may have to wait it out a few months to get yourself into that home that you want. So that's basically it. You first apply, we determine your eligibility, and if you're eligible, we can approve you. Simple as that. The thing that you have to know about getting yourself into a home, you're going to be incurring also at the end of the transaction what are called closing costs. So closing costs are going to range anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000 depending on the purchase price of your home. They could be higher depending on your scenario, but I'm just giving you a range here based on what I've seen and the people that I've worked with on down payment assistance loans. So if you're eligible for a down payment assistance loan, your down payment would be covered by the Washington State Housing Finance Commission. They'll cover up to 4% of the loan amount. And an FHA loan, which is a typical first-time homebuyer type loan, they're only requiring 3.5%. So that 4% that we can get you access to covers that 3.5%. You have 0.5% left over for closing costs. Then you are liable to pay the remaining closing costs at the end of the transaction. Some of the things that we're going to ask for throughout the application process, which I would recommend you have handy, are your W-2s, pay stubs. If you're self-employed, we're going to need at least 2 years of your most recent tax returns to be able to calculate your usable income. So there it is, guys. That's how simple it is to get yourself approved for a down payment assistance loan. Of course, once you make application, myself or a team member will give you a call and go through all the details with you to make sure you understand fully what you're getting yourself into, what your monthly mortgage payment is going to be, what your cash to close is going to be at the end of the transaction. And if everything looks good, hallelujah, we're going to get you into a home with no money down and you're going to call yourself a homeowner. So guys, if you're interested in seeing if you're eligible for a down payment assistance loan, click the link below and a member of my team will get in touch with you and take you through the process and tell you exactly how much home you qualify for, what your monthly mortgage payment would be, how much it's going to cost you at the end of that transaction, and if everything looks good, we'll send a pre-approval letter and you can start making offers on homes. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. See you guys.